am Neil Gupta of class 6. I am proposing a solution for rainwater harvesting. Did you ever think that in 2017 there were floods in Chennai, but in 2018 there were droughts? This happened because there was no proper rainwater harvesting method. And one more thing, that in the cemented areas the water was stagnant, it evaporated and the clouds were blown away. So, I have two solutions. One is for internal streets and the second is for main roads and highways. Now for internal streets. So, what are the problems in internal streets? The problems in internal streets are that there are unwanted plant growth on the sides of the streets where it is uncemented. In that place, pests also live there like rats, snakes and insects. And over there, garbage also piles up. And since the garbage is piled up and it's not clean, people instead of walking on the sidewalk start walking on the road. So that's only one thing. But in the rainy season, the problem gets worse because there's waterlogging, slush everywhere, and the streets get damaged. So, what is my solution? My solution is clean all of the pests and unwanted plant growth. After that, second step is that in thermal power plants, we generate electricity from burning coal and a lot of ash is produced. That ash is a waste product and isn't used. So we can use that ash and mix it with other materials to make slabs. These slabs will have holes on the top and on the side. Through those holes, water can pass through and seep into the ground. And since they are small holes, pests will not go through them. And in some slabs, there will be places for trees to grow. So, what are the advantages of my proposed solution? The advantages are the groundwater recharge. Since the water will pass through the holes, the soil will absorb the water and the groundwater will get recharged. Second, clean streets and footpaths. Since we will put slabs, the streets will look very neat and tidy. Third, streets only for driving. So, since people walk on the footpath and sometimes cars also come on them. Since these slabs are a bit high, the cars will not be able to come on them. And so, people will only walk on the slabs. And so, Swachh Bharat better than USA. Now, for main roads and highways. As you know that in main roads, there are problems in rainy season such as waterlogging, long traffic jams and high pollution, damaged roads, increased accidents and people and vehicles both on the road. So, what is the solution for this? The solution is that we will put these same slabs on the sides of them to make sidewalks. But as you know that there is a divider in the middle and in that some trees and all will grow. But all the trees and all die since not enough water is able to come. Since there is no correct water disposal method and there is waterlogging everywhere. So what is the solution? The solution is that we replace that with a divider with holes on the side and on the top where trees can fit. Since there is holes on the side, the water can pass through them. But one problem is that the pests and insects can pass through them. So what should we do? We can put mesh which have small holes and they are very tight. So pests will not be able to pass through. But there are some problems that once the water passes through, if it reaches a particular height, it may reach the road and that may damage the road. So what can we do for that? For that, we can attach pipes. So the pipes will take the water from the waterlogging area and it will take the water to like say wells, reservoirs, etc. So, but you may ask that this is very costly because for that you will have to break the divider, make holes and then put it back. But we can do one thing for now, which is, as you know that these metros are being made in Chennai, so we can give this to also be done in the metro work. This will make it very neat and tidy. And so, what are the advantages of the proposed solution on this? They are the groundwater recharge. very well managed traffic, since the traffic is caused due to waterlogging and the waterlogging problem is solved. So there will be no traffic. So it will be managed. Third, highly maintained roads. Fourth, people walk on footpaths and vehicles are on roads. 5. Air generated from the thermal power plants will be used. So, please harvest water correctly. Thank you.